Lesson 9. This lesson 9 is about all the properties of parallel lines. The first one that we're going to deal with, all about opposite angles. Now let's see where and when can we expect to have opposite angles. First of all, let's create for us a pair of parallel lines. Now guys, there we have the two parallel lines. Now the definition, straightforward. Two or more lines which are always the same distance apart from each other. But my aiming point is still to find the opposite angles. In finding the angles, the direct opposite, I need to have another line. Now what is this kind of line I'm talking about? This is what they refer to as a transversal line. A line intersects two or more lines. Now let's start by finding the opposite angles in these conditions, as we do have them at the moment. You can see that there's my first pair of opposite angles, but are they the only ones? No, let's find another pair. There's another pair where I can find also direct opposite angles, and there's another pair. So that's the third pair that I can expect. And then this is my fourth pair of direct opposite angles. Guys, I would like you to take the sketch as it is at the moment, and I want you to put it in your homework books, so when we're going to do calculations at a later stage that we can refer to those calculations at the time. Then let's go for another one. The next kind of angles I would like us to look at will be the alternating angles. Now let's quickly set ourselves again our two parallel lines plus the transversal line. Now let's see where we're going to find the alternating angles. There you can see the first pair of alternating angles where I can find them. And there I'm going to have my second pair of alternating angles, the position where I'm going to find it. Also guys, take this sketch and also put it for me in your classwork book. Let's go for the third kind of angles, the corresponding. Let's quickly design again our parallel lines, transversal line, and there is our first set of corresponding angles. Let's see if we can find another pair, and there I have another pair. So we have more than one pair of corresponding, and there's another pair of corresponding angles, and there I have another part. So in this one we have four corresponding angles. Again guys, take the sketch as it is and transfer it for me into your class books. The next and the last one that I would like us to look at in this section is the CoInterior angles. But let's quickly design again the parallel lines. Now let's see where we're going to find the CoInterior angles. There's the first part and place we're going to find the set of CoInterior. But the CoInterior is nice to know that the sum of the two angles together going to give me a value of 180 degrees. Do I have another set that I can find? And on the right hand side also of the transversal line between the two parallel lines, I have another set of CoInterior. Guys, for this lesson it's going to be all I want you to take this information again, put it in your class books, make that it looks nice, everything in place, because this information we are dealing with, you're going to apply this information till you're in grade 12. Guys, have fun till we see each other again.